Prep segmented veins for use. Prep syringe for charging vein with fluid. Once the syringe is full, close the stopcock to prevent fluid leakage. Ensure vein has 2 IV clamps. Attach open end of the vein to the stopcock. Open stopcock and fill vein with fluid. Fasten clamp on the open end. Proceed to attach segmented sim vein to the M.I.T.S. Once the sim vein is attached, put sim skin over the veins to perform IV insertion. Perform catheter needle insertion. Prep for standard length sim vein use. Slide open IV clamp to mark and secure the sim vein to the M.I.T.S. body. Measure approximately 7 inches from the open end. Attach fluid-filled syringe to the open end of sim vein. Open stopcock and charge sim vein with fluid, and once the vein is pressurized, close the stopcock. Put sim skin over the veins to perform IV insertion. Perform catheter needle insertion. Prep for saline flush. Perform catheter IV insertion and attach desired saline lock or port as per protocols. Attach saline flush syringe and flush sim vein per protocol. Nasopharyngeal airway. Attach naso adjunct to the body of the M.I.T.S. When done properly, the nose will clip into the port. Prep and lube the nasopharyngeal airway tube. With bevel edge towards the septum, insert tube into the nostril until the flange rests against the nasal opening. Narcan administration syringe or mister. Prep syringe type Narcan injector. Place injector head into nasal opening and administer as per protocol. Prep mister type Narcan injector. Place mister applicator into nasal opening and administer per protocols. Perform emergency cricothyrotomy or cric. Attach cric adjunct to the body of the M.I.T.S. When done properly, adjunct will click into the port. Secure sim skin over cric adjunct. Palpate cric adjunct through sim skin, and using scalpel, make your cuts through the thyroid membrane and cartilage. Prep and insert Crike medical device into position and secure per protocols. For the Easy Crike, remove stylus and perform resuscitation protocols. Attach and use translucent sim veins. Using the same protocols for colored veins, set up the translucent sim vein for segments or full length. Pull over and attach the translucent sim skin to the M.I.T.S. The advantage of translucent veins is that it allows the user to visualize the catheter needle insertion and the advancement of the catheter into the vein. This improves proper needle placement techniques. Perform catheter needle insertion. Follow us on social media at Mochtech LLC and visit our website at ivtrainer.com.